we're doing a level charge right now. I replaced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 cells. Those are the cells I replaced. Each individual cell right now is about 7.86 or 8.5. Right now it's charging, so it's going to be about 0.03 of a volt more. So that's good charging voltage. When it rests, we'll be more around 7.78, 7.8, somewhere in there.